Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to link GitHub in Kofi. So once you're inside Kofi guys, click your settings on the left hand side. On the profile, scroll all the way down to where you have your social profiles, click on that, and you want to look for the GitHub name. Go ahead and enter your GitHub name here and just simply go ahead and click on save, and that's going to go ahead and link GitHub directly to your account. And as you can see here, for example, I have YouTube that I've linked and verified. Your GitHub will now show up here, and it will show that it's linked, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. Now, you may be wondering where you will see that afterwards. If you go to your profile on the upper right hand side, you have a section that called About. And here it's going to show you all of those different social accounts. So when you click GitHub, it's going to show up here. And anyone who actually view your profile will be able to see those social accounts on GitHub, on YouTube, and whatever you have there will show up, and they can easily click it and visit your social profile. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.